Hey Afton, this is Alex with Diamond Digital Marketing, and I wanted to produce this website review for you. Thanks for reaching out via Facebook. And in this video, we're going to cover a few things that really improve your rankings on Google. I'll keep it short. I know you're busy and I don't want to waste your time, so feel free to take these tips and put them to use, and I look forward to following up with you and getting your thoughts on them. All right, those three things we're going to cover are content, citations, and backlinks. We always like to start with content first because, stop me if you've heard it before, but with Google, content is king. And we've got your website pulled up here, and it's a great looking site. There's just not a lot of content here on this homepage, and we really recommend having about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage and about 500 to 750 words on the back pages. And the reason for this is you need authoritative and unique content that's relevant to your industry and your location. So for example, when someone searches for Denver cleaning service, Google's really looking to send that search to a website that's relevant to that. So these are buyer intent keywords, and these are the ones that you really want to target. Going over here to one of your competitors, now this is Denver Cleaning Service Company, obviously very generic. This is actually a lead generating website. Someone in my industry has popped this up and is selling the leads to someone in your industry. And as you can tell here, they've got a decent amount of content, but you can easily outdo this. And they've got a nice call to action here, but this is kind of how you want to structure your website with content, call to action. And over here, another competitor, Alpine Maids, decent looking site again, but they don't have too much content. A little bit more. Actually, they do have quite a bit, probably close to 1,000 words. So you want to get up to 1,500, 2,000 words to really start outranking the competition here. Now going over here to a tool we like to use called Ahrefs. This really lets us see what's working well for websites and what's not. And your website must be pretty new here because you don't have any organic keywords and no organic traffic coming in just yet. But if we go over here to the competition, they've got 354 keywords and 350 clicks a month coming to their website. So that's a pretty good chunk. Over here at Alpine Mage, 1,300 organic keywords and 657 organic clicks coming in per month. So again, you want to do the research in here and see where they're getting keywords at. Maid Service Denver, that gets searched for 150 times a month. It's got a 19 KD, so it's kind of difficult to rank for, but they're at the first position for that, getting 56 clicks a month. And you pretty much know when someone's searching for a maid service in Denver that they're looking to buy. Another one here, house cleaning in Denver, 150 times a month, 24 KD, so kind of difficult to rank for, but they're in the second position for that. So those are kind of the ones you want to target. Denver cleaning service, house cleaning Denver, cleaning services Denver. There's a bunch of them out there that you can really just go down a rabbit hole and find out a bunch of them. But you really want to focus on the ones that move out cleaning service Denver. See, that has a 0 KD. That's really easy to rank for. Gets searched for 30 times a month, but it's a more expensive clean, so it's kind of worth going after those there. Now, moving on to the second thing we want to cover is citations. When you type those buyer intent keywords into Google, Denver Maid Service, the first thing you'll see here is the Google guaranteed sponsored ads, and these work really well. The next area you see here are Google Ads or pay-per-click. They're all right. They're not working too well right now. The sponsored ones really work a lot better. This next area here is the Google Map Pack or GMB. And what gets you into here is the citations. A citation is your business's name, address, and phone number listed exactly the same across different directories across the web, like places like LinkedIn, Facebook, yellowpages.com, bbb.org. There's hundreds of them out there. Not hard to do, just time consuming and tedious. Now going over here to another tool we like to use called Whitespark. This lets us research those citations. We can tell here you've got 4 citations, Alpine Maze has 8, and Denver Cleaning Service has 53. What you want to do here is go in here and see which directories your competition is getting listed at, list at all of those, and then about 100 more so that they can't catch up and you're staying on top of this map back here. And the third element we want to cover is backlinks. Going back to Ahrefs here, again, your site's pretty new, so you don't have any backlinks. A backlink is just another website pointing back to your website. And it's kind of like a popularity contest with Google. The more backlinks you have pointing back at you, the more relevant your website is. But you want it to be content that's relevant to your industry. Not all backlinks are created equal, and you don't necessarily want to have a backlink at like a Big O Tires or a Domino's Pizza, for example. Similar to the citations, you want to go in here and see where your competition is getting links from. We can see here Alpine Maids has 2,800 backlinks, and this lead generating website had about 300. So you want to go in here and see where they're getting links from. Make sure that yours are just as powerful as these, if not more, and then get a bunch more. Citations, those directories will sometimes create backlinks for you. Commenting on blogs that's relevant to content to yours, and asking friends to link back from their websites will help as well. So in closing, we want to recap what we went over. Content, you're looking for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the homepage and 500 to 750 on the back pages. Citations, you want to get into where all of these directories where your competitors are getting listed and go after a bunch more so that you're staying atop of this map pack and they can't catch up. And backlinks, you want to do the research, see where your competition's getting backlinks from. Go after all of those and then a bunch more again so that they can't catch up. And if you implement these 3 strategies, you can most definitely start outranking your competition on Google. I hope that you found this video informative, and again, feel free to take these tips and do what you can to improve your traffic with them. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to following up with you and getting your thoughts to see if you'd like to know more on how we can help you grow your business with these strategies and start taking some business away from this lead generating website and Alpine Maids. Thanks again.